Alright, so I'm going to show you how to repair your toilet flange. 4-inch or 3-inch. This is a 4-inch. You could do this with 3-inch also. So, and I don't like these plastic ones because they become flexible. But I guess it don't really matter. As long as you silicone your toilet down, this is okay. You got to make sure this is screwed down also, but you still have to silicone the toilet regardless, because these little bolts do not hold your toilet down. People think they hold your toilet down, but they do not. All they are is to stop it from moving like this. What holds your toilet down is your silicone or whatever kind of sealant you have. That's what holds it down. So first of all, this, sometimes you can just jam them in here and make it work, which I probably could hit it down, but I don't really want to do that. So what I want to do is I want to sand in here. First I want to take a wire brush in there to clean it off. If I can, yeah, I'm pretty sure I can get it. I already did take a chisel and get off any big things, but you need like a round one to do that. It's kind of hard with the square one, so best thing to do is this wire brush. And then you can also reverse it. It's okay, but I still see some whatever that is. Still see a little bit of rust. So let's try this sander. Just trying to get it as small as possible. Now it fits a little better than it did. So now you're gonna go, well, actually, nope, as I go down, it's probably down here. Don't want to go down too far, as long as this sits. So I got 3 inches from below. Yeah, the bottom of it should be okay, but it's gonna just sit on that bottom, so can see a spot right here. It's actually a little bit too big. Okay, that should work. I'm gonna hit this with this again a little bit. Well, still should be okay. I'm hoping it'll be okay. As long as it seals, it should be alright. So, I'm gonna put this. Really, they want you to face this that way, but I don't never do that. Gonna make sure this is this way. My toilet's gonna face that way, so gonna make sure right there is about where it needs to be. Actually, you know what? No, I want to put that a little bit angled. So, all right. Now I'm just gonna tighten this up. Do a little bit than the next. Who's behind me? Oh, okay.
Sorry, Tony.
It's okay.
Sorry, Tony.
It's okay. Okay. Now, this one. Okay. All right. I'm just gonna screw it down. Hope that didn't just hit steel.
So the kitchen floor is going to be different. Oh.
Huh?
The kitchen floor, they're going to be different, huh?
Yeah. Same thing like this. Same like this. Just angling them because if I go straight down, I'm gonna hit that steel. There we go. All right. Flange is good. Bolt there, and we're good.